Hello everybody, I hope you are fine and everything is good. I am Tawfeeq Alghazali from Iraq, the director of Islamic University in Najaf, and also the author of an article that published in International Journal of Science and Research. Actually, this e-presentation is a very simple present to International Journal of Science and Research, and I hope it will be benefit and accepted for all readers and listeners. The focus of this discussion is about the concept of theme and rheme, simple and multiple themes, unmarked and marked themes, focus information, relational information, emphasis on the new information in rheme, textual theme, and conclusion. Actually, because there is no sufficient time to explain all these items, so I'll try to cover all these material but in a brief. Theme and rheme in Arabic. Before we talked about Arabic, we should know what is Arabic language. Arabic is a member of Semitic language family, which itself is part of the wider Afro-Asiatic phylum. There are three distinct forms of Arabic: classical or Quranic, formal or modern standard Arabic, and spoken or colloquial Arabic. It also has three types of sentences: normal, verbal, and semi-sentence. Nominal sentence begins with a noun. That's why we call it nominal sentence. Like Ali يكتب الدرس. Ali writes the lesson. Verbal sentence begins with the verb. Like يكتب علي الدرس. Writes Ali the lesson. While semi-sentence begins with a prepositional phrase, like في الحديقة أشجار كبيرة. In the garden, there are big trees, as defined in gregarious way. As for Mathesius, theme is the part that comes first, and rheme remains the following part. In general, theme carries the old information, while the rheme carries the new information. Danius defines theme as the element